Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Paycore account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.paycore.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to sign in option. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. And if you have trouble remembering your username or password, then you can click on forgot your username or forgot your password links respectively. While creating an account, if you had used your SSO account, then you can click on sign in with SSO option. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on register here link. Finally, after entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Paycore account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.